Advanced vocabulary mastery. Context clues for identifying synonyms and antonyms. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our series on advanced vocabulary. Today, we are diving into an essential skill, using context clues to identify synonyms and antonyms. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use contextual information to figure out similar or opposite words with confidence. First off, let's clarify what we mean by context clues. These are the words, phrases, or even entire sentences surrounding an unfamiliar word that can help us infer its meaning. Context clues can be direct explanations, examples, synonyms, antonyms, or the general tone or feeling of the sentence. The power of context clues is that they enable you to understand new words without having to look them up, which is a vital skill in real-life conversations or during exams when dictionaries may not be accessible. Now, let's talk about how you can use context clues to identify synonyms, which are words that have similar meanings. Let's take a sentence. For example, despite the harsh criticism, John remained stoic, unbothered by the barrage of negative comments. Here, the word stoic might be unfamiliar to some. But if we look at the context, we can see that John is unbothered by the barrage of negative comments. This suggests that stoic and unbothered are synonyms. We've used the context to identify a synonym. Identifying antonyms, or words with opposite meanings, also hinges on the ability to understand context clues. Take the following sentence. While Jenny was quite reticent about her achievements, her brother was very vocal about his own. If reticent is a new word for you, the sentence provides a clue to its meaning. Jenny's brother is vocal about his achievements, and this is contrasted with Jenny's behavior. So, we can infer that reticent is the opposite of vocal, making them antonyms. The best way to master identifying synonyms and antonyms through context clues is by practicing. So, try to engage with diverse reading materials like novels, articles, or essays and actively search for unfamiliar words. Guess their meanings using context clues and then check in a dictionary to see how accurate you were. That wraps up our session on using context clues to identify synonyms and antonyms. Remember, it's all about the context, so pay attention to the words and sentences surrounding new vocabulary. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll become a whiz at using context to your advantage. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next lesson.